In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce the acidity in your starter, which will help you make better sourdough bread. In my opinion, it's the most important step for anyone serious about making sourdough bread. So it's been about 12 days since I used this starter. I had a bit of a break. It's very acidic, it smells like vinegar. So I'm going to show you how I will get rid of the acidity so I can use this to make sourdough bread. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to reduce the acidity in the starter. Now, why do you want to reduce the acidity in the starter? Too much acidity can actually harm the starter. When the lactic acid bacteria are too active, they produce a lot of acidity, which can weaken the yeast in your starter. It will affect the bread. It will slow down the fermentation. It will give your bread a weaker structure, and overall the taste will be too strong. So yeah, that's very acidic. So I'll show you how I do this. So to reduce the acidity, I'm going to take a little bit out of this. Now, you want to do this about 2 or 3 days before you want to use it, preferably 3 days. So let me just tear that off. And if you look in there, yeah, it's broken down a lot. It's very liquidy. It's like water. So I'm only going to take a fraction of this starter. Like just that. That's like 4 grams. And I'll put 50 in. I'll mix that up. Then I will just do 50 grams of flour. This is my organic bread flour. I love this flour. And I'll just put 50 grams in. Stir that in. Feeding your starter 1 to 10 to 10 dilutes the acid buildup, provides more fresh flour for the microbes to consume, which balances the acidity and creates a mild flavor. So tomorrow I'll feed this again, and then the next day the acidity on this will be a lot weaker now, and the product that I'll make with this will be a lot better. The bulk fermentation should go faster, this should increase more, and the overall product, the rise and the taste of the bread will be improved as well. So yeah, that's just a little tip that I thought I'd make a video about. It's just a quick one, and yeah, hope you enjoyed it. So it's actually 22 degrees still in Australia. This summer's kicking in a bit slow. My next video, hopefully, or the one after, I'm doing a stand mixer sourdough video. That should be released soon. And I want to release a video making the sourdough in the heat when it's hot with ice, and I'll show you how I do that. But I haven't had a hot day, so hopefully I'll be able to do that one soon, as soon as I get a hot day.